Um, I just want to point you to this symbol here. When you see this in your textbook, it means that you can also work this one with your Casio, with your CAS calculator. So you already know how to do this because I already have shown you how to do this with solve. Look in your videos of linear graph because we already have done it. I'm just going to focus here on how to do it by hand because you also need to develop that skill. But I recommend that for your homework, what you can do is do it by hand and then check with your CAS to see if you got the correct answer. And in that way, you're practicing both skills. Okay, so it says, if x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -2, evaluate the following expressions. So A says 3x plus 2y. Okay, let's do it. Equal to, open brackets, 3 times, what is x? X is 3 plus, open brackets, 2 times, what is y? -2. Every time I have a negative number, I always put it in brackets only because, so that I don't miss that symbol, okay? So then I'm going to solve following BITMA, so I do brackets first. I have two pairs of brackets, so I'm going to do this one first and then the other one. 3 times 3 is equal to 9 plus 2 times -2 is going to be -4. And this one, if you can do it using your number line, but this one will be equal to 5. Wonderful, let's do B. So 5xy, take away 3x plus 1. So in the first one I have 5 times, what is x? 3 times -2, that's y. Take away 3 times, what is x? 3 plus 1. Wonderful. So in the first bracket, what do I have? 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times -2 is -30. Take away 9 plus 1. So this 9 is 3 times 3 is 9, but because I had a -9, a negative on in the outside is -9. So then I add this one, so this one is going to be -39 plus 1 is going to be -38. Wonderful. And let's do C. So C says 2x squared plus y squared. So x is 3. X is 3. So this is going to be equal to 2 times -3. Is it -3 or just 3? Just 3. I almost made a mistake. So it's 3 squared plus, what is y? Y is -2. How do I know that this negative goes inside the brackets and is also affected by this power of 2? Because it's the whole y, what is have here. It's not like if this one was negative, if the use symbol that I have this plus sign was negative, then that will be outside of the y. It will be this one that I will be changing. But in this case, the y is equal to -2, so it goes inside that bracket. It's saying that this whole thing is affected by that power of 2. So then I have to follow bit math here. I have to solve first 3 to the power of 2, which is 9, times 2 is 18. Plus -2 to the power of 2 is 4, and this one is equal to 22. Wonderful. Wonderful. We'll do the last video with more examples.